Introduction to Saramoly machine. Today we are going to introduce you to the exchange cooling system and flush machine, a professional solution designed to deliver a faster, cleaner, and more complete cooling system service. Traditionally, cooling system servicing is done by simply draining coolant from the radiator and refilling it with new fluid. While this method appears quick, it only removes a portion of the old coolant, leaving a large amount trapped inside the engine block, heater core, and hoses. When new coolant is added, it mixes with the remaining contaminated fluid, leading to cross-contamination and chemical imbalance between different coolant types. This incomplete exchange reduces cooling efficiency, allows sludge and rust to continue circulating in the system, increases the risk of overheating, and accelerates wear on critical components such as the water pump and radiator. The exchange cooling system and flush machine overcomes this limitation by using controlled pressure to actively push out old and contaminated coolant while simultaneously exchanging it with fresh fluid. This pressurized process ensures a complete and consistent flow through the radiator, engine block, heater core, and hoses, effectively flushing out rust, sludge, and scale that cannot be removed through gravity draining alone. As a result, the cooling system is fully refreshed, restoring optimal heat transfer and improving overall engine protection. It also designed for efficiency and ease of use. The Adaptor kit allows quick and secure connection through the upper radiator hose without the need to cut hoses, reducing setup time and minimizing the risk of leaks or damage. In addition, it performs cooling system pressure checks, helping technicians detect leaks, weak hoses, or faulty caps before they lead to overheating failures. By completing a full cooling system exchange and flush in 20 minutes or less, the exchange cooling system and flush machine transforms a basic drain and fill into a professional-grade service. It protects engines, improves reliability, increases workshop efficiency, and creates new profit opportunities while delivering higher service quality and confidence to customers.